I don't know what's going on, but my GoPro camera has some issues, and after 18 seconds it shuts down. Beats me why. Oh, it runs. I'm trying to do a little bit of POV driving of a 2021 Suzuki Vitara with 3,766 kilometers on the dash, so it's a brand new car. Bought in August, actually registered in August of 2021. Sorry about the noise, I have a tripod on the back seat, that's why you hear that vibrating noise coming inside of the cabin. I have a little bit of a stretch road here, a straight road. Ooh. And I'll try to do 0 to 60 kilometers an hour to 80 kilometers an hour to see exactly how the grip is on this vehicle. So I'll brake here. Now, just in normal driving mode, but having here the snow mode on. So let's do it. A little bit of wheel spin, 40 kilometers an hour, 60. Oh, it's a little bit rough. I'll reduce the speed. I'll go a little bit further down because the road is much more smoother. Oh man, I'll try to put this down, see if it's vibrating anymore. There you go. Right. I'll do now a 0 to 60 kilometers an hour, or to 80 kilometers, let's say 80 kilometers an hour in normal driving mode, but having the transmission in snow mode. So there you go. Little bit of wheel spin, 40 kilometers an hour, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 kilometers an hour, and brake hard, not very hard. Let's stop the car. There you go. 0. Pretty good. I didn't brake constantly because the road was kind of bad and the car began shaking, so I left off the brake pedal and brake it back again. So the car has a lot of grip on the snow with normal snow tires, the regular size. Let's see if I have all the hubcaps on. Yeah, the front right, it's in the trunk. I picked it up because I lost it once, I lost it twice. I turned around and found it and put it back. There are some crappy aftermarket hubcaps, which the spring is not that strong and it falls off. There's no point of me trying to show you the log mode because this is a pretty straightforward road. We don't have an uphill situation, and I'm not gonna try to get on the right side because I'm gonna get stuck. Nobody's gonna, actually just a tractor is gonna take me out, but I don't have any gear or equipment with me to try and do that, and I'm not gonna do it. I don't want to like break something on the car, so yeah, it's pretty new, so let's keep it that way. So remember, this is as I mentioned a little bit earlier, an unpaved road. It's just plowed, but it's pretty good. It's a country road. There's no asphalt on it. The car stays pretty straight, even if I do left-right turns on the snow, having the regular snow tires on it. So let's 50 kilometers an hour and left, right, left, right. There you go. That was the ESP coming on. There you go. So it lets you play a little bit, but at one point, if the car begins to slide, the system it's taking care of you and braking the wheel. I think the outside wheel or the inside wheel, some of the wheels, they are braking it and put you on back on the straight line. Oh, the little dog again. First I thought it's a fox, but actually it's a little dog. Come on, doggy. Come on, doggy. There you go. So 60 kilometers an hour and I'll brake hard. Now. Zero. That's good. Just regular snow tires. But of course, even the nose tires, they are new. They have, I don't know, less than 1,000 kilometers on them. Here it's a lot of snow. If you get on the side, it reaches your knees. That's how deep it is. So this road is used by regular cars and also by heavy trucks carrying logs from the forest, from the forests around here at the border of Transylvania with Moldova. Now I will get back to the main road and go home. So far I made like 100 kilometers. I have to go another like 60 to reach my destination. And if you can see further on, the sky it's pretty dark. Maybe it's gonna snow. They're like -2 Celsius outside. I'll put the car back in the regular mode, auto mode, so she's gonna figure it out. What's up? But this winter it became to be pretty bad, with a lot of salt being thrown and frozen temperatures. There you go. They cover some of the potholes, but water is getting in during the day, and during the night when the temperatures they go below 0 Celsius, it freezes and it breaks the asphalt, and like this you end up with a lot of potholes. Now I'm gonna put it in the sport mode, because I don't like the auto mode when you go uphill. I need more power, passing power and pulling power. There you go. I don't like this automatic transmission, this mild hybrid system. It's not quite that smooth. When there is a little bit of engine braking, the car begins shaking. I don't know why. Now let's see if these guys, they're gonna... Okay, thank you. They know how to stay on the first lane. Make me space for passing them. Yeah, the guy with the BMW X3, he got a little bit upset because Suzuki Vitara ended up passing him. So he tried a little bit to stay closer, but it's not the car. A lot of times it's the driver. -3. The road, it begins to be a little bit slippery from what I feel. I can pass on the other lane because there are no cars coming going uphill. I stay on the first lane. I have nobody behind me, but let's keep the first lane. Potholes, potholes, potholes. A lot of them. Oh man. Here there is a portion of the road all the time in the winter. The wind blows from the right side and it's throwing all the snow in the road. This is the Huta Pass area, so not a lot of places where you can pass someone. So we'll keep it as legal as possible without passing someone on a straight line. We want to have this continuous line. So There you go. Let's keep it legal. Don't do any shitty passing. This is for you guys who are watching this video also. Keep it safe. Even if you end up in traffic with someone trying to push you to go faster or whatever, keep your calm and play safe, because life is much more important than pride. Okay? There's a big monastery here on the left side, and very close it is the Hotel Dracula, which now is closed. The people who owned it before sold it, and a local company bought it. I understood that they wanna make it back again to be open for the public. So here, if you go straight, there is a Hotel Dracula. There you go. Here in this area you have such an amazing landscape, mountains. It's simply beautiful. I don't know how much you can see from my POV driving, but it's another thing being here and see it with your own eyes. I'll try to keep the camera on as much as I have battery to film. Look, there you go, a bunch of potholes, and some of them, they are so aggressive.